Is there any advice then you'd give to more junior members of, I guess, the industry, not just sort of project management, anyone within sort of construction or real estate? What you think they ought to do to better their career or make themselves stand out from the competition?
I think for me, it's about being inquisitive. Particularly at the start of your career, asking lots of questions, showing that kind of enthusiasm. Also about thinking for yourself. Don't come to me with your problems. Come to me with, I've got this problem. I've thought through in a logical fashion the ways I think I might, approach it. These are the options. I think this is probably the best way to deal with it. What's your view? And then you can bring your experience to bear to say, well, I approached it that way on this occasion. There's multiple ways you can quite often achieve the same ends. There may be one way that's marginally more efficient and effective in that particular situation. So ultimately communication skills is huge, whether it be written or verbal communication in terms of what we do. So I'm always really keen to make sure our people are picking up the phone and having the conversation, building relationships. It's all about relationships and trust. And if you can gain the trust of the person you're dealing with, then when it comes to have a difficult conversation, actually it becomes an easier conversation because they know it's not a personal thing.